totally part. So what to keep there? Technical skills. Don't keep languages right there. Python, khatam over. That everything will write. Everything will write. Not the you are not the only person there. Write like this. Make a curly bracket or whatever it is. Design there. Write there what? Hands-on Python programming. Means what? I have done myself. Copied or not, that is secondary part. No one asks you there. How much are you able to execute the Python code? Are you able to install the Python software? Yes or no? Yes. How many programs have you executed? At least 200 programs? Yes. What topics you know in the Python? No, I don't know. No. Have you a proof? Yes, we have a proof. Yes or no? So now, hands-on Python programming. Then next what? Version used. No, wait, not over. Hands-on Python programming. Version used. Make one way, not every time changing. One time resume, khatam. One job. One resume, one job. Okay, that is different case now. Version use what? 3 point. Specific version used. Specific version. What I can say? Specific version. I write in a short there. Specific version used. These things matters. Okay, that person is new or old. That also matters. Means what? When have you used last time Python? That's the main thing. So don't keep 3.9, 3.8 or something there. 60% Python used 3.10.1. Now, just what? Version used. Version is what? 3.10. Python 3.10 you're using, yes or no? In 3.10, which version you're using? Specific version there? 3.10.1. Okay. Why using 3.10.1? Because that's the main thing now. Better coding, better understanding the syntax errors. Okay, all these things. Then next what you'll keep there? After these things over there, Pata? No. You have to keep the proof. My replit. You have to keep your replit UID total. HTTPS so and so replit.com replit.com // here @ your username. What there? Username. This you have to keep there. Then only we can believe now that fellow this program has done, this person has done the programming there. Or how can I know? So first you have to keep there what? Replit ID. And people hang GitHub knowledge, they can keep the GitHub URL there. Okay. But don't know half thing, then don't keep. Replit to keep enough, I'm saying you. Replit ID. Then keep the what? W3 schools. So can I erase this part now? Let me write this. Okay. So first I'll write the what? Replit. Keep a URL there. Okay. URL and what? Username. Second, keep the what? W3 schools. In W3 schools, what will keep there? Solved. What else? I don't know. From my side, I have seen what only exercise part. How many solved quiz part? Quiz. Solved. Tutorials. Okay, fine. So whatever we solved right there. W3 school solved. Solved what? Exercise problems. What I'm writing, this exactly write the same thing there. Okay. Again, don't come and ask, don't ask. What I'm keeping, that will keep. Khatam, live sector. Your wish again. Repeat URL you keep. W3 school solve exercise problems. And if you have solved the quiz, keep the what? Solve the quiz. I think usually 25 questions now. So solve the quiz also keep there. Next to keep what there? Solo done. Solved, or you can say what? Done. You can say what? Done what? Done. Python for beginners. This I think we didn't discuss in detail this solo done part. You have to see the programs, all those things. So Saturday or Monday we'll see this link also. Once you come to function topic. So done Python programming for what? Beginners. For beginners. At the last you'll get certificate, okay? But in the resume, keep it now. Don't do anything, okay? In the resume, keep it now. Because tomorrow last day, I'll tell you all these things. Easy manner also I'll tell you, okay? Don't worry. So done. Python for what? Beginners. Then next what now? Hacker rank. Hacker rank. Have 3-star ratings. Yeah, this is what we look for in the resume. All people apply. Suppose 50K people apply. 50K people we have to hire. 40K will throw in dustbin like something. 40K will throw in what? Dustbin. We won't even get name also. How beautiful you are, how whatever you are, we don't care. Because what you like there, we are looking for entry-level position. Once you go to Gachibowli or anywhere, we're not accepting also nowadays. Hard copy, you're accepting a mail, hard copy like what? Yes, are you going print out copy? No. All asking what? Online copy. In the online also, what they look, that word is there, not there, not there. Leave it. Khatam. Simple. That's it. Word matching, looking, is that matching? Then only check the mail. Then only check what last what name there. Then check age, all those things. Until then, they won't even check your name, photo, all those things. First, what they check is what? Technical skills for fresher. Your qualification, that is secondary part again there. That's why I'm telling you, don't focus on education, all those things. Focus on what? Technical skills. Right? In this way, I'm saying there. Not like languages, that this, that thing. Who want that bloody hell? No one wants, I'm saying you. This is the way you have tried the resume there. So hacker rank have how many star ratings? 3-star ratings. Don't worry, by Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll make it this possible. Okay. Then Code Chef. Solved a few programs. Solved a few programs. Make it this note faster. Come there. That's why now people, I'll tell the way that you have to keep where I'll tell you. Selenium not over totally part and didn't say it, okay. Selenium I just showed what how it works automation only, okay. Total Selenium part I didn't say, okay. Remember. Total Selenium will take again half month, okay. Done this copy down? Okay. Now after this keep there what now? Books followed or whatever you followed. Then after Code Chef, now keep a proof. Okay, what a proof you have applied. They keep the proof attachment of what? W3 schools photo. Now in this resume part not needed there. Okay, you're keeping repeat username. You're keeping their what? W3 schools. Okay, then you're keeping Solidon certificate. Hacker and you have 3-star ratings. Code Chef you have few programs. This will be enough. More than enough. After this, you focus on what now? Operating system. So now I can say what now? Even then what? Now we can make their automation with Python done. Automation with Python Selenium. Python Selenium. Like this right there. Automation with what? Python Selenium. Okay. Then web scraping. This I didn't tell you, but you have to keep because tomorrow is the last date to applying resume there. So this I'll be covering in a private part. Web scraping. Okay, then more story if you had enough. That is enough. Then now start with what your educational qualification. Now in educational qualification, na keep table only. Ma. Don't keep a design that design this design. No one is understanding that things. Okay, keep what simply what table. Start with your 10th class, intermediate or polytechnic, then BTech or degree, whatever it is. If you're having less GP now, that is the main point I want to focus now. If you're having suppose less percentage, then keep in what GP. I have 6 GPA. I have 7 GPA, 8 GPA. If you're having good percentage, 90 percentage I have, 80 percent I have. If I have 60 percentage, right there what 6 GPA. Okay, you can write in GPA or you can write in what percentage. Okay, and keep the college name everything what properly there. Which board you are? First of all, what is serial number? 10th. First of all, 10th. First start with what? 10th? No. First start with what? Higher degree. Okay, what are BTech or MTech or BSc or MSc, whatever it is. Then intermediate or polytechnic. Then what? 10th. Okay. Then no one is there. That 10th only I'm asking there, not asking from 1 to 10th. You have changed many schools. Okay, who knows? Only asking there what? 10th there. So no one asked there. 1 to 10th which studied. Okay. So 10th, that's it. Percentage, keep the what? Board first of all. JNTU board or which board? Then college name. Then place. This place matters from where you have studied. Then which year you have done? Which year pass out? Started, ended. Suppose I have done my BTech. 13 to what? 17. Keep that. 2013 to 2017. Then suppose I have done my MTech 2020. Then keep the percentage, all those things, 88 percentage. Okay. Having these things, keep there. Okay. Not having, leave it. But starting, ending, you have to keep. When started, when ended. When you have shut out your BTech, when ended BTech. When started inter, when ended inter. Okay. Done. This you keep in what? Table format. Clear this part? Now after this, if you're having, okay, after this you are having now what? Projects. Now keep your projects, your BTech project or whatever projects if I give you now, that you can keep it now after your what? Educational qualification. Okay, that you can keep part after here. You can keep your BTech projects or whatever projects and whatever the projects I give you. Okay, what are the BTech projects you have done? You keep it there. That's enough. Okay, but give at least 2 to 3 lines there. I have done this thing, that my description will be there. Abstract will be there. Abstract. Just 3 lines you write there. Enough. This project I have done with what? Java or C or Python, whatever. Used so and so. Khatam. That's enough. No one wants. Because we know that you have purchased and kept it there. Okay. If you're having a nice knowledge, you can tell about in the resume. Don't have just write 2 lines. My BTech project was this one so and so on machine learning or data science or Python. So khatam. That's it. Enough. Fine. Then after this, you write this what? Don't miss much pages. Okay. Right. Fit everything in what? In 1 page only. Yeah, this is the main point. You have to maintain fresher resume in how many pages? Single page. How many pages? Single page. Sir, how possible? Possible only, na? That's what I'm saying. Na? Sir. Everything will come in 1 page only. Array, so many ads. Okay. Like this you can mention, but very old now. Like this you mention enough. Okay. In a single page, everything should come there. You can check that properly. How many key skills you added, everything added there. Okay. In this way, you maintain enough. Course objective, professional summary. Some people like this way. One page is enough. Don't use what? More than one page. Don't write hobbies, all those things. Okay. Don't write this parents' name, all those things. Okay. If you want to write, you can write in second page. Not an issue. Personal details, mother's name, father's name, so and so thing you can write there. Not an issue. Okay. Then if you're writing, they write what? Interest. Interest in what? Playing games, not which games, not PUBG, not something there. Playing caroms, cricket, volleyball. Okay. Focus on what? You know or don't know? At least have some knowledge on what? Chess. I like playing what? Chess, you say. Okay. It's a symbol of what? Royalty, and a symbol of what? That you are good in thinking. Okay. Then. Now, Corona ka time there. Okay. You can say, I have participated in what? Like participating in events. Hyderabad Hackathon. Hyderabad Hackathon, I think January 12th. Jan 12th, Hackathon. We'll run from here to there, 5 kilometers, Sangban to there. There's some place there. Like what? Like playing chess, like participating in events, interest in learning new programming languages. Okay. Interest in what? Learning new programming languages. This is right. Don't forget. Learning new programming languages. Okay. This you have to write. Then. Chess you write. Don't forget. Chess important. Learning new programming languages important. Okay. Then watching web series you can write, or watching TV, whatever it is you can write there. Then last important what now? Role model. Important what now? Role model. Don't take role model, can be a dead person, Abdul Kalam or something names, or Charles Babbage, or Stephen Hawking, or Einstein, or Nikola Tesla, or Graham Bell. Okay. Person who are dead cannot be a what? Role model. Then who can be a role model? Father, mother, then sister, brother. Okay, they can't be. If you want Python job, I told you 5 names at the starting. What 5 names? Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. No, don't follow on Mark Zuckerberg. All scam. That is theory only, no practical now. Elon Musk theoretical only now. Starlink got failed. You know, don't know. Starlink failed. Don't write Elon Musk, okay? Sundar Pichai or Bill Gates or Satya Nadella. Main person are forgetting. Applying for job for whom? Ratan Tata. Way to flirt. My role model is what? Ratan Tata. Don't write Arjun Reddy, Vijay Deverakonda, all the things. Okay. I can write, not an issue. Okay. Way of flirting it is. How you want the company to get interest in you, that name you have to follow there. Okay. Keep their water. don't. But 90% don't keep Ratan Tata there. Okay. Really, you know what Ratan Tata, everything, background history. Who is the father of Ratan Tata? Hatang, biscuit. Don't keep. You're not eligible. Jamshed? Then Tata owns which companies? That you know? Don't know. Jaguar. Next? Range Rover. Next? Airways also we have now. Then BPO we don't have. BPO also we do. Motors, like automobiles, we don't have. So everywhere Tata. Then one doubt I have there. Tata solved by Tata or other person? Tata solved. Tata. Okay, so everywhere Tata only, not that Tata. So keep role model what? Okay. And if you want to keep cricketer's name, you can keep cricketer's name. Okay. Injured now. KL Rahul you can keep. He'll be perfect captain now. 50 hit last match. Last century also over. Okay. So now he won't lose that opportunity. He's not like other persons to give other captaincy now. He's permanent captain of fish captain now. That is pitch mistake. So every time we can't play in the player now. Okay. So role model, keep a person there. Now, if they ask you songs, all the things, which kind of music you like to listen? Which kind of music you like to listen? What they'll say? Which? Pushpa? Jazz. I don't think you know also. You'll be hanging na types of music, rock music, jazz music, hip hop, rapping. Rap you keep better. Not yo-yo. Anyway only. Don't like that bantai rapper. Like listening to what? Rapping songs or rapping. Okay. But don't write names. Okay there. English songs. That is not that what they ask there. If you want to specify in the water in the music, you can write there. Listening to English songs, listening to what? Hindi songs, Telugu songs. But if you know multiple languages like that, English, Hindi, Telugu, Punjabi, Marathi, Sikkim, all those things, no. Simple. Listening to what? Songs. Now, some people they ask you, last movie what you watched? Khatam. What is the last movie you watched? What is the outcome? What is the thing you have learned? So you can say, somehow now you have to act. Okay, I don't have interest in watching movies. I look for movies which are what? Science based. You have to act now. Okay. One job you have to act. Don't want, leave it again. Tell Pushpa only or Spider-Man go home, come home, sit home, khatam. Okay. Don't keep these names. Okay. No. Don't keep any names. Okay. If they ask, keep the what? Science name. Like what you can say? You can use these names like what? Avengers you can use. Or you can use what? Fast and Furious. Okay. Then you can use what? Harry Potter. Don't write Game of Thrones again. I don't know, but listen, okay. Avatar you can write, okay. Movies you have to write there, okay. Technology based movies. Then, okay. Like this movies you write there, but don't write irrelevant movies names. Like example, if my favorite movie is what 365 days or Shades of Grey or web series there, software developer there. These things you don't keep there. Okay, many movies will be there, but that thing you can't keep in what in the resume there. Okay, so what you have to keep in the resume that you have to tell. Okay, that will be enough. Then last you can idea languages is what that not languages. That is enough. No need, no one asking nowadays. But keep your mail ID, contact number very nicely. That will be enough. Okay. So 2 you have to apply. So apply today only. TCS next portal. This website. Click on this website. Scroll down. Log in there or register now. IT. Okay, okay. Yeah, something. Yeah, okay. So keep your names, everything properly, okay? Don't forget the what? ID. At the last, you'll be getting ID. Printout. Please take save as printout or go and take printout. Once you forget that ID, na, in the upcoming future, after 1 year or 2 years, may get the call like me. Apply 2020, now call got. After how many years? 2 years. Now, after 2 years over. Okay. Now they'll ask you ID. From which ID, which applied, which mail, which ID applied, I really don't know. But got a mail. So now you have to use a brain, 6 sense you have to open. Which mail applied, what is the password? So some will have forget password, but TCS fellow, I can't say, but there is, if you forget that mail ID and password, no chance of recovering, or you won't get it because you don't know from which mail ID applied there. So any place or any mobile, you keep your what mail ID password saved, okay, somewhere. Okay. Because you forget mail ID and password, then you can't log in, I'm saying you. Okay. So fill the names properly. At the last, you have to upload what are 3 things. What are 3 things you have to upload? First of all, no, not photo. Photo, yes. Photo you have to apply. Resume, that's it. No signature. Photo and resume. There's the 2 things you have to apply. Okay. No amount paying, nothing there. Okay. So this you have to finish by what today? Because tomorrow is the last day. Fine. Clear? So apply will be hanging. Last what? Apply for drive. Apply for drive will be hanging at the last there. Okay. That you everything found filled up. Okay, everything done. Khatam. Over. But main thing what you'll be forgetting is what? After filling the form, everything there, last you'll be getting there what? After completing that part, you'll get a window there. Apply for drive. That you have to click on there. These are things people forget. After clicking on apply for drive, then click on what? Track my application. Track my what? Completion. Okay. And take a printout and keep it. Okay. Very, very important. So this thing you have to finish for today. Okay. And apply for 2 things. Okay. TCS Ninja there, TCS NQT. This today's I think today will get 6th January. Na? There's a link you'll get there. Apply there. Okay. Any problem? Just message. I'll help you out. Fine. Okay. I'm stopping the class now. You can pack up.